So OnePlus just trolled the internet. They trolled their fans, they trolled tech enthusiasts, and I'm not entirely sure that this was the right play. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just the other day, literally yesterday, I made a video talking about something that OnePlus tweeted out, something that looked, to me, quite exciting. If you look over here, this is what they tweeted. And what it shows is what appears to be either a dual screen or a folding phone. And everybody got very excited. I got very excited. Wow, OnePlus making a dual screen phone would be really, really interesting. Well, not so fast, because the next thing that they tweeted was this. And what it says here is half off, literally, get OnePlus 9 for 50% off, because this was not them teasing a folding or a dual screen phone. No, in fact, this was just them trolling us, making us think that that's what was going to happen, when in fact they were just going to mark the OnePlus 9 half off. Now, clearly what they're doing here is they're thinking, well, the Z Fold 3 was being announced at the exact same time that this tweet was going live, right? You know, they're trying to steal some of that thunder. But here's the thing. I don't think that that works. I don't think that you've done anything positive there at all, because people that are interested in the Z Fold 3 are not going to be interested in the OnePlus 9 Pro for half off, or the OnePlus 9, rather, for half off. They're two very different customers. And not only that, for someone like me that was like, oh wow, OnePlus is going to do something new, fresh, interesting, and then for them to be like, actually, no, we're not doing anything different at all. It's the same phone, we're just running a deal. That kind of leaves like a sour taste in my mouth in a way, you know? So I'm a little bummed out about this one, and I don't really know exactly how to take it. I don't know how I'm supposed to take it. Am I supposed to laugh? Am I supposed to, what am I supposed to feel about that? It just feels like being trolled. Who enjoys being trolled? I don't know. So, a little update to that for the news video I posted yesterday, where I talked about how maybe OnePlus is doing something cool. They're not doing anything cool. They've done nothing at all. They've trolled us. They've trolled you. They trolled me. So there you go. Expect a whole bunch of Z Fold 3 coverage shortly today and over the next couple of days, and expect me to continue ignoring OnePlus and their OnePlus 9, because I still don't care. Probably the strangest marketing decision I've seen in a while. Stay tuned for more coverage of things you might actually care about. And until next time, stay nerdy, my friend.